We're here at the Brazilian Festival, Toronto 2025. It's Saturday and it's pretty packed. We're gonna take a look around and see what's going on here at the festival for Brazil Fest 2025. There's Chris, and of course we got Lorena there. All right, we're gonna do a little walk around and let's see what's going on this year at the festival. So right when you come in off of St. Clair, there's a bunch of rides, of course, for the kids. Games and rides, lots of food trucks, and of course there is a stage for the music and lots of food. Squid on fire. So the lineup for the beer, you have to get tickets, and it is quite long. It is busy today. There's the beer tent. So one of the things here at the Brazil Fest is you have an alcohol area, which is to purchase alcohol. However, at Earl's Court Park here, it's one of 27 parks in Toronto that you are allowed to consume alcohol outside anywhere in the park. So what you're actually seeing is people are actually, you're not allowed to bring the alcohol from in here outside, but you're allowed to bring your own alcohol. Go ahead and bring your own coolers, your own drinks, because literally everywhere and everyone behind me and everywhere at the park is consuming their own alcohol, because you're allowed to do that here at Earls Court Park. So if you don't want to pay the high prices of alcohol, go ahead and bring your own, because it's 100% legal.
It's meant to have all of you here celebrating the passion of Brazil, the passion, the food, the music, the dancing, the energy. Thank you for virtually allowing us, even the permits for that. This is our home for very many years, and we'd like to continue here, so let's work together. So yes, let's party on, eat, drink, and don't forget the door. Yes,